thought of those possibilities.
Let's have a go of that as well next time if you like this.
Well, yes, please.
Now tell me, Paul.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to put your hat on when you leave?
I didn't think of that last week.
No.
What am I going to do?
What are you going to do? Because it's going to be up here. Hopefully, it should back home that far up.
Have you got a number of taxi firm?
Yeah.
Or if you was a good girl, you could drive me home.
I could drive you home, yeah. I don't think you'd like that because I haven't got my nice car still. I've got the other one. You know the one, because I was in the accident, weren't I?
Oh.
Did I not tell you last week?
No, you're all right.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I was picking Lisa up from a friend's in Selsdon, from one of her friends. 12:05. I picked her up at 12, waiting at the end of the road. And literally, I was at the end and I was turning left. And would you believe this car came behind me and just smashed into the back of me?
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Flicking them around the roller.
Yeah, I just want to get them round.
Very professional.
Because otherwise they will ruin my hairdo, Paul. Can't have that.
No way. No.
Can't have that.
Great expectations.
Yeah.
Butterfingers.
It's going to stay in the end. Sorry, Paul. Can I go that way?
Oh!
Oh!
No, I mustn't do that. That was naughty.
Right. Is that all right there?
Oh, yes.
If I can get it.
No, it's fine. It doesn't
Sure.
hurt much.
I don't want to. Oh, am I drawing blood?
Not much blood.
Oh, that's right then. Oh, I do love the BEEHIVE. That's all this is, isn't it? I love them. I think their music's so good. But because these are...
Oh, that type.
Yeah.
Oh, I've always wanted to see my hair in those.
Because because I want it really smooth, I want it to hold.
Oh, fantastic. I've always wanted to... I've seen
Seen
pictures
them.
like these and I've always...
Just want to go round to the other side forward, if that's all right.
Absolutely. How can I help you? Do you want to try one of those? Sorry, I'm just thinking red on red.
Nice.
Fantastic.
Wash, cut and blow dry. They're both good. Tim and Sarah.
What are they having?
Wash, cut and blow dry.
All right, Paul.
Lovely.
Can you? Hello. Hi. Hi. You both having cuts and blow dries? Both of you. Just like that.
Lovely. Thank you, George.
Off.
Super. Thanks, Karen.
And then you can decide, because this is like a 6-1, dark blonde, ash, but you've got to lift it in. You can go, if you want something a little bit lighter, you can go. What, did you put a box dye in yourself? Because here, can you see here? She's got a different colour here, this is not her natural, this is coloured. So that's just highlight.
Yeah. It's more room, that is more
No, I knew it was going to be like this.
Oh, right.
I've finished now. I've just got that lady in you. I don't think I've got anyone else. I didn't book anyone else.
I had a quick look in your appointment books. You got a perm next.
Next?
Next.
Don't think so. It's almost as if those rollers are alive.
They are. That's why they're called hair rollers. They roll away.
They roll away.
What's the proper term, name for hair curlers? Is it hair rollers or hair curlers?
Well, we call them rollers.
Steam roller.
Yeah, you're all right. You're not listening still.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Not today, anyway.
Ouch.
You deserve that one.
Ouch.
Sorry. It does hurt. There's no pain, no gain, you know. Come on.
How long is it going to take? 3 hours?
Yeah.
I can't stand 3 hours of pain.
Why not?
Because I'm a man.
You didn't go home like that.
Oh, you're so cruel.
I know, but I'm good, right?
Getting your revenge on me.
Yeah.
I'll tell them and gun it.
Can't do that. Can't do it.
Okay, you're the boss.
There.
You're the boss.
You ready?
I thought you'd finished.
There you go, George. Look at that.
She's finished.
I've finished. I'm going to leave him like that. What do you think on that?
Tell the truth.
So do you put it into place now?
No, it's finished.
You're just going to stay like that?
It's called a bird nest.
Stick some Easter eggs.
Yeah, stick some Easter eggs on and we'll be fine.
Oh, not silly then.
There. As if. As, just for 1 second.
Yeah, but I am really that's good then.
George.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I love it. Crossroads.
Yeah.
The original series with Noel Gordon, Meg Mortimer.
What was her name?
Meg Mortimer.
In Crossroads.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember her.
Remember her?
Yeah.
I used to watch it because they had the Salon.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, I remember that now. When you say that.
Yeah, the lady who run the Salon. I know her real name was Jeff Gladstone. I can't remember her character's name.
No.
No, is that
I don't know.
where did Lisa go when she was a baby?
Over to
Leitrim.
no, she went to that's it. That's better.
Yeah. So soft. Can't think what his name is, but he's such a nice little boy. I like dog, but I'm not. I've got two, but I'm not.
This one's here, Olivia.
Normally she's off Olivia.
Oh, and she very and she did. I worked so hard, Olivia.